Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got my mom back after a year. It's been almost a year since our last video. I've made a lot of videos since then, but they always talk about the videos that I make with you. So I thought I'd get you again. Today we are solving dilemmas. So it's just your opinion on these situations, like people has been in. I got on the internet like situations they've been in, so they want advice. I know you are experienced, so you could give the best advice, you know. So yeah, I have 7 dilemmas. Are you ready?
Okay, let's go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the first one is, I recently broke off my engagement, and we are arguing among friends over whether I should return the ring to my ex fiance. I say it's mine to keep, and he says it's his. His mother gave it to me, so I think it should be mine to do what as I please. So, in your opinion, what should be happening in that situation? Should she return the ring? Should she keep it? Because, like she's saying, the ex fiance's mother gave it to him to give to her. So it's not like he bought it, he got it. So, what do you think?
I hear you. But why must his mother bother him?
Maybe it's like a family tradition, you know. She got it from her husband's mother, and it's being passed down, you know.
Okay. But if it's like that, then I will give it back because if it go from generation to generation, then you give it back.
That makes
Because he never bought it.
it's a
So she
family.
don't spite him.
She's
It's
fighting
a
the family, you
she's
know.
fighting his mommy because it's a inner generation, it go to generation. But if she's gonna keep it, then that's gonna fall away most.
True.
Then
Okay.
the mommy won't buy another ring for another
Because
girl.
it's not gonna be the same because
It's not gonna be the
generation.
same. It's broken now. Other words.
Okay. So next one is, my previous girlfriend still has some personal items of mine at the house that I consider valuable. She has never offered to return them, and it's been over a year. I'm not sure if it's been too long to ask for them back. I also wonder if it would start an argument with my current girlfriend if I called my ex to ask for my personal items. What's the best thing to do?
Best thing to do is leave the items with her. Obvious, your girlfriend you have now gonna say you still wanna be with her. Why do you wanna see her? Why?
But you paid for it. Like say for
You
example, no,
you paid for it, but if you buy something with someone,
no, but say for example, no, um, one day we went out and you were getting cold and I gave you my hoodie. That hoodie, say for example, is over 1,000 rand and you still have it.
no, that's a different case.
Yeah, but
You never gave it to
I'm
her.
assuming
You
that is what
you
they mean. There's some personal items of mine that I consider valuable. So that means it was probably something that they borrowed. Not that they bought like a gift, like a Valentine's or birthday or anniversary gift. It's
But
like
if it's
personal
something
stuff.
that is borrowed, then you should have reminded them was like the following day,
No, man,
like
but,
top
but
or
in
the
a
next week. Bring my top, please. I never gave it to you, and I never bought it for you.
but if you're in a relationship, do you think about it as you was with the person? So I give you my piece of clothing. Do you think I'm gonna ask for it back? No, because I don't know what the future holds. But you are my partner, so I'm assuming you would like.
No. Then I will give her a cheaper thing then.
You must don't think. You must don't think.
I know. I hear you. I hear you. You won't ask for it. You
So
will
we
let you keep it.
okay. So what would
But
you
then you
do?
broke up with her, and now then you want it back.
But you're
I don't
waiting a
think.
whole year later.
No, don't ask it back. Let you keep it. Let you keep it. Do you still have it? That's the most thing. The, do you still have it? Then let you keep it in. After a year. No man. Ik was jouw goose. En achter een jaar wat je goed hebt, ik zou zeggen, ik moet je wel maar weer naar zeggen. You see?
True, that does make sense.
Saya masuk ke dia mana bisa Bible ko ba? Oh na yan. Yan na. Sa nito dito cheap ba
That's
haulet
correct.
pwede maulet. Haulet.
Oh,
Haulet
so you would say they must keep it. Okay.
Haulet ya sa nalayaw ba?
Okay.
Goed water daw goed ba basay ba so by iets wat er
True.
nou keep it ma.
Okay. Third one. My boyfriend can't stand my friends How do I tell everyone that they all have to get along with each other?
What do you mean along with each other?
Like, so this girl has a boyfriend, no?
Hmm?
Her boyfriend doesn't like her friends. Just says don't like my friends. So she has to explain to them, or she has to get them all together and tell them, see, they all have to get together, like have to get along with each other because the boyfriend clearly does not like the friends. So what would you say, for example,
I
Paul
hear
doesn't
you.
like
I hear you.
your friends when you
But
first started
what do your
dating?
friends do that you don't like them? What are they busy with? Or you see, your friends could be klom dinge man. And now the boyfriend, you scared your girlfriend gonna become, or she is like that when she's not with
Okay,
you.
let's give two scenarios. One scenario, she's a party person, like
Mm.
every week, every second week, they always in a club or they're always out on
And
the
he
road,
not,
and he doesn't
and
like
he's not,
that,
and he's not.
and he's not such a person. So what would you do in that situation? You tell us here, either you do it once a month or you slow down, or what you tell us stay away from him. What would you?
If you're not into such things and you don't like it, and she don't want to listen to you, then, well, obvious, you then to slow for her, she's gonna think you to slow for her. Jy's te gevrek, jy is te, verstaan jy, jy gaat nie nog. Nee man, jy kan nie net een week in die dans kyk, kom lekker met showmies, baie is mos so.
But
So,
isn't that
dan
what
moet
you
hy maar,
sign up?
dan moet hy maar. Dan gaat ek hom sê.
But isn't that what you sign up for? I don't mean now you must
Yes.
cut that life completely off. But like I said, maybe
Yes, but-
once or so, but not
but-
every week.
But you and your friends coming a long way.
Mhm.
And that's the way they do it, you like it. Now you meet this boy. If your heart is for that boy, you will say, guys, sorry man, I'm into this guy. And I love this guy. And I want to be with him. Because no one ever treat me like he do. So, move me on. I won't go with you anymore.
Maybe once.
Maybe once in a month or once in 2 months, but not every week. I'm not cross with you, we can still. But this party, I'm done with it. Not exactly done, but I mean once, but not like we used to.
Mm.
You see?
And you should maybe just give them the benefit of the doubt.
If
Say,
you
for
love,
example, they're my age, they're young. Maybe that's just the phase they're going through. It. The phase will die
yes,
out.
but the phase will die out. But some of these youngsters think that phase dies out, and they still scallum. You see? They tell their boyfriend they're coming to bed and I'm so feeling well and calm. Then the chum is right there at the back.
Oh.
Nou,
I know.
I speak from is niet wat gebeur. I used to see myself from the toilet pipe, yo. Run away from pa. I mean just to go out.
True, okay.
Just to go out. Ek het die saak aangehad en ek wil goeie. Sy sit so lank by my ouma, sy wag vir my met die toilet te kom as ek weg. I did that a few times, but I mean. And nowadays, die jongs, dis anders wat jongs van die.
True.
If you are committed with a boyfriend, no?
You have to
You
cut
have
down.
to, yes.
Okay.
It was a give and take compromise. If I don't like that friends of you, then you must also consider me.
Mhm.
You see? It's just that.
So, say for example, now your boyfriend give you ultimatum. It's between him or the friends. What would you do? Your boyfriend tell you, it's either me or your friends. What would you do in
And
that
I will
situation?
tell him, it's not a queer ultimatum. I know my friends and I know they're doing wrong stuff and I know.
Not necessarily wrong at all.
Yes, but they are, as you can see, they are party animals drinking them lullig gesuipen. I know you don't like it, but I can't completely cut me off from that. Because who's saying, how long are we still gonna? And then I throw them away.
True.
I can't go back to them. They're gonna, hulle gaat my
Play
lullig
that.
indoen.
True.
Kan ek wel hulle gaan dinge sê? Hulle gaan my mos lullig indoen en sê, wag, sy, net so wat hulle sê. Yung jongen jou nou gelos, nou was weer na Oost Kwalu. Gaat ze kom! Verstaan ze?
Okay.
Nee,
That's a valid point. Okay, dilemma number 4. My partner and I broke up because he realized he doesn't feel ready to fully commit to a relationship at the moment. We still talk on a regular basis. What should I do? Should I wait or should I move on? So they were they were technically together, but they weren't. They were dating, but they weren't dating. They were like they had a thing, but then they were decided, or he decided that he's not ready to commit to a relationship.
don't want to get it to be serious.
Yes, but he still wants to
He
talk and
still
have
wants-
the benefits of a relationship. So she's asking, what should she do? Should she wait until he's ready, continue talking to him, and just like not focus, but like hoping that he tomorrow or next month or soon want the relationship, or should she move on and realize, right?
I will say na. Ik tip maar ik zal. Ik vat er nog wat mee af.
Yeah, it's your opinion, your
Yes,
advice.
Ik zal nou. Okay, is that the cases? Then we'll see.
How
But-
long do you see?
But ik wil ons nou veel zien. But ze kan niet voor een maand of 2. Maar if they come along, jij wil ons nou met mij spelen. You want to,
Maybe
But if
that's
it-
what they need. A kid or someone else.
yeah,
in the
you
photo.
want to play with me now. I must just be ready when you're ready. Doesn't work like that. So I should tell you most now. If I meet someone now in these few months or whatever, and that one is quiet and lekker
And he's ready.
and is ready, I think say goodbye man, goodbye. But
Okay, that might add on that. Say like that, for example, happens. Someone else come on and he's ready, and this other boy that you had the whole time tells you, "Oh, I think I'm ready at this moment in time." Then what do you do in that situation?
Then I say, leave.
you wasted your
Yeah.
chance.
Ja, dat ik zei, oké, zij zo, een ander woord, zij heeft ook nog van mij gevat van Api. Huh? Zo, oei ja, dan ga ik zo naar, oei. Maar niet ook gaat van mij vat van Api niet. Kijk dan daar, zo nou is, de eigen lijn op zijn beleid. Oei. Want daar, commit. Nobody talk even about commit. We one step at a time. Ons gaan daar uitkomen. Als ons daar uitkomen, happy bij party. Jij moet maar net jouw gedachten, joh, zie. Wacht. Goed, zie je scherm, joh. Je moet maar net wijzen, hé, wacht. Jij praat van, jij zie, ik voor commit is. Je gaat nog alleen maar mee commit, joh. Wanneer gaat ze aan commit, joh? En ook dat zij al die misschien. Nee, ja, wacht.
Could be yours. Okay, dilemma number 5, 3 more. My ex-girlfriend who dumped me wants to give our relationship another try. I don't know if I should do it. What should I do?
Why did she dump you? Why? What do you think? Why did she dump you?
If you dumped, I'm assuming something bad had to happen.
Was she with another guy? Or were you with another guy?
If you say dump, I'm assuming something happened. But if you say break up, or you know what I mean? Like if I say we just went out different ways, that means it was a mutual
Split up,
thing. If I say we broke up, it's probably something.
happened.
Or if I say dump, it's probably something serious. So say when she was younger, she cheated.
Hmm?
It's now 3 years. She's a better person,
Hmm?
and she wants to give the relationship another go because she realized that
She was so dumb.
she's now ready to settle down, and she realized you are the one. She went around, she tried new experience, and it didn't work, and she realized that you are the person. What do you do in that situation? Should you give it another go, or say, see her, you had your chance, time to.
No. Ik een man is. Ik zie nou men. Nou men.
So you don't. Talk now.
Oh,
Zie.
ik kom daar 3 jaar, 2 jaar.
What if people change?
Oh.
Do you think people change?
How people can change, but how will you know your girlfriend did change? She just dumped me like that and just no.
And I mean, after such a long time, 3
3 years. And what if I had moved on in 3 years' time? You mean I must now
No, I'm saying now you single. Say the ex boyfriend or he's single. She's coming back now after 3 years saying,
Now that will give me a lot of thought. Why when you say you are quiet now, straight now and what? But you know mos. Ik weet nie, Brooklyn of jy waar te sê, ek dink nie ek sal nie. So was in I'm quite fine so goes anders dan. Jy gaan my nie weer hartseer maak en wat sê was ek miskien. Ek was miskien committed. Ek het nou gedink, nee, dis die vrou vir my of die man vir my en kyk wat maak sy. En nou na sy klaar 3 jaar gespeel het, dan wil sy weer terugkom. Of hy, nou, wait man, dit liewe is te kort. Kan nie nou nog speel met sulke dinge nie. Dis either you leave or you go, but
okay.
En dan is jy nog ook kry, so dat klomp goedjies in die kas, wat nog. Dan gaat jy op Facebook as jy sien.
She have a child or something or
Ja, of jy gaat op Facebook as sien sê, yo, goed ek kan nou weer vir my indink. Nee,
Okay. Two more. I know this girl very long, basically my whole life. We've been on and off for a very long time, but for some reason, we just can't move past the stage of being more than friends. I do want something with her, but I'm scared of what she's done in the past. But for some reason, I just can't stay away. What do? I don't want to lose her, but I can't stand the feeling of her being with somebody else.
so,
So this boy knows this girl for a very long time.
but they never was in a relationship.
They couldn't move past being more than friends, yeah. And then he wants something, but scared of what she's done in the past. But he just can't stay away. So what should he do? He doesn't want to lose her as a friend or
As a partner or what.
but he just can't stand the feeling of her being with somebody else. What do you do in that situation?
But what did she do in the past?
No, when what could she have done? Maybe, like you said, he can't stand the feeling of her being with some. Maybe she was with somebody else, and
Maybe
you were cut. Okay, so for example, you were when she had someone you weren't as close anymore, and then every time just on and off with you two.
en hy is nie obviously hy vat as dit, hy kan haar vat as 'n chommy, maar hy kan haar nie bou nie.
Like you said, he knows a very
Yeah,
long time, so he
yeah.
doesn't want to
But
make the
hy-
wrong move and
Hy is
lose
te
her.
bang om te pieter. Hy is te bang om haar te gat. Die maar sê sy gewoon, so dan is my broer en dan wil hy en ek sien jou dit as my. Hy is te bang om haar te gaan. Maar as ek gee ek het 'n try. Dan jou by ja, klaar. Sien jy, give it a try as ek hy is. Sy weet miskien soek sy ook daai. Nou wil sy miskien weer nie die eerste move maak nie. Maar baie vrouens maak mos die eerste move.
Especially nowadays.
Ja, maar sy wil seker nie, sy wag vir hom want sy sien hom as 'n gentleman. Want baie as hulle die kans kry soos nowadays in die lang soms mag ek gaan sommer jou vasdruk hier nou hier kyk wat ek verstaan jy nou, hy is nie so ou nie. Hy moet vir hom net steek.
He has to move carefully because, like he says, he knows it for basically their whole life. So if he make a wrong move, you throw a whole life friendship off.
But hoe gaan hy weet? How's he gonna know he's gonna make a wrong move? Maybe, sê sy ook nog vir hom, joh, so lang wag ek vir die. Ek wag die hele tyd vir jou, maar ek sien sy was te, maar hy is miskien so ou, hy sê sommer, hy kyk en sy weet mos soos baie mans, kan ek nou, wat gaan sy my nou jam, of gaan sy my nou indoen, of gaan sy my nou, verstaan jy, sy samen nie maar weg, of, nou ken sy nog my male, nou vertel sy nog my male, hy klop aan by my en ek vat hom as 'n broodjie en al die dinge. Maybe if he try, hy moet net sy hart steek maak en kyk wat hy kan. Hy moet nie te hom voorberg om te ver te gaan nie.
Don't do too much. Yeah.
Don't do it too much. Gooi eens erbij soen. Verstaan jy?
Okay.
Yeah.
Last one. How can I tell my girlfriend to stop talking to other guys who like her? I mean, just okay. Say, wait. Let me rephrase it because it says there next to it, guy, girl, best friend. How do I tell my girlfriend? Wait, how are we gonna word this one? So she has this girl has a guy best friend. Okay. Let me ask your opinion. Leave the dilemma. What is your opinion on girls and guys that are in relationship having? Say for example, I'm in a relationship with a girl and I have a girl best friend. What do you think about that?
Meisjes, meisjes. Ik had een girl best friend. En verkloon, ik kreeg klomp. Ik kreeg klomp soorte mensen. Baie manne is skelm. Best friend, dat doen hulle ander dinge. Sommige ook best friend, dat doen hulle ander dinge. Met jou bug. En sy, as ek net sê, hy is best tot sommige. Bij mij is het is net zoals een getrouwde koppel. Getrouwde man, een getrouwde vrouw moet die. Ik moet niet een man niet voor een lief. Vrouw moet die een man moet die een vrouw niet voor een lief. Things can develop most very quick, man. En beste vriend,
You don't believe in that.
nee, beste vriend, ik heb jou lullig in die rug. Dan is jij bitterlijk. Ik mean, and you can't believe it because you don't know that person like that. But it's gebeur.
Okay, now here's it. Say me and someone is friends I'm friends with a girl and we've been friends say for more than a year and say we've been now friends for 3-4 years and I get a girlfriend. Do I keep the best friend or what do I do with the best friend? With the girl best friend?
See, that best friend now can just dial your number. She's there. But will your girlfriend allow? She's gonna be jealous. Ik ga ook jealous wees. Maar wat play sy player gewoon phone? Huh? Sy kan mos dan hier kom moet jy na toe gaan. You see? Hoekom moet jy na toe gaan? Sy moet tot hier kom tot hier. En gee hy phone nie laat ek sommer waar self sê sy moet. Gee hy phone nie laat ek sommer waar self sê. Ek weet julle is lang chommies. Maar as jy hom wil sien, as jy by my kon na my toe, hy kan nie na jou toe kon nou nie. Ons is bizar.
Okay.
Simple as that.
So will you let them cut the best friend off entirely? Would you say they must, not so much?
Not so much. I don't.
But isn't that still a
care.
problem? Say for example, once a week, is that the problem solved?
No. Then I go with him. You wanna see him? I come with him.
Okay.
En het gaat niet meer zo werken, want ons is nou lekker bij elkaar. En het gaat niet opgebreid worden, je stupid, je best friend. Nee, best friends.
Tala lost it, Dario. Your girl best friend love further than what? What your girlfriend love further than what your girl best friend love?
But every time I get a message, ik zie nou weer hulle twee daar samen.
And he say nothing.
I mean, just think about it. Don't say, hulle weet tyd vir 'n nou kan na baby oortes. Nou baie van die best friends, hulle smaak lank al ou. Hulle smaak hy ou. En sy weet mos nou dat chommies gaat mos nou sien. En hy chommies gaat mos nou laat weet. Verstaan jy? Ek sien hy sal weer hier en God sê jy mos hoe die meere vlas mos stoom. Hy steaming. Hulle word mos kwaad. Nee, as een best friend nie, ook ons kan vrienden wees, maar nie van best friend nie, net vrienden klaar. En as have a problem, go to Auntie Mauna. Explain to Auntie Mauna what your problem is, maybe she help you.
Okay, that was the final one. Thank you very much. That was very good advice. Can't lie. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. Thank you.